Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. Now today I am making a delicious dip. This is a Mexican corn dip. Oh, I'm so excited to make this. Someone sent me this recipe and it sounded really delicious and super easy to make. So this one is for you, Brooke. All right, let me go over these ingredients with you and show you how to make this delicious Mexican corn dip. All right, so you will need 2 cans of a southwestern corn or a Mexicorn. Then I have 2 small cans here, and they're 4 ounces each. One is a diced jalapeno pepper and one is for diced green chilies. Now you can use both cans of green chilies or both cans of jalapeno peppers. That's completely up to you depending on how spicy you want your dip to be. Then you'll need 2 cups of a sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is an 8-ounce container of sour cream. I have 4 green onions that I'm going to slice, and then I have a half of a teaspoon each of garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. All right, this is one of those recipes that you literally just dump everything into a large bowl, and I'm going to start with my corn. And I did drain this corn. Next, my green chilies, and then my jalapeno peppers. All right, then I'm going to add the cheddar cheese and the 1 cup of mayonnaise. And next is the sour cream. All right, then my seasoning, and I've got to chop these green onions. All right, then add the green onion, and then give it all a stir. So that is all there is to making this dip. Super easy, but I've got to give it a try. That is creamy and cheesy, and a little bit of spice from the jalapenos. Oh yeah. And I'm using the Frito's scoops, and they are perfect for this dip because you can just load that scoop up with this delicious Mexican corn dip. This is definitely one of those dips that is addictive. You just can't stop eating it. It's so good. And a special thanks to Brooke for sending me this recipe. It is delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.